Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change PayPal email address. If you want to change the primary email address on your PayPal account and you don't know how, then this video is for you. Simply launch open PayPal application or log into paypal.com on a web browser. Here I've already logged into my PayPal account. After you are in this main homepage, click on your profile avatar or the icon at the top left hand corner. This will then bring up your profile menu. Tap on personal info from the options and then tap on the email address. Now tap on add a new email and enter the new email address you would want to change to. After you are done entering the new email, tap add. Then you'll be able to see this pop up where you'll need to log in into the account so that you can assure it's you who's trying to make the change. You can also tap on the send a code instead button at the bottom and then you'll receive a one-time code on the email address you are trying to change to. Open up your email inbox and type in the verification code that you received. Now tap on the confirm button and you'll be able to add a new email address. Now, after you add in the email address on your PayPal account, you can set this new email address as primary. Simply tap on the primary email address and then tap on change. Now select the new email address and tap on done at the bottom. In the pop-up, click on confirm to set the email address as primary. And that is how you should be able to change the primary email address on your PayPal account. Tap on done and there you go. That way you should be able to change your email on PayPal. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.